Hello, my name is Doug, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build your new A-Case. Now for today's example, I'll be showing you all the different parts included. I will be building the Kane model. It's the largest model that they have, but the principles of assembly work the same no matter which A-Case you have. Start by putting one of the top and bottom pieces on the floor. These are interchangeable, you can't get it wrong. Now take one of the side frame pieces and slot it in just like so, being sure that the actual shelf units are facing inward. Now, do the same for the other side. Finally, secure these two sides in place by snapping on the top section. Again, the top and bottom are interchangeable. Now at this point with your frame, you can go ahead and slide it into your bag. This may take a little bit of shimmying and time, but if you apply a gentle pressure to each one of the corners, it will slide right down and securely into the bag. At this point, adding shelves is as easy as sliding them directly into the frame. Now there's one last bit of optional construction here, and those are the pins that lock the trays into the frame. This is if you want to have your bag open for easy access, but you're afraid of the trays kind of sliding forward. Say you're at an event, you want to have it open so you can quickly load models into it, but you're afraid if someone walks by and bumps your bag, the tray will slide forward. For these locks to happen, simply grab one of your trays and the hardware that was sent with your A-Case, which is just rubber bands and pins. What these are is just a series of simple loops that will bind the pin to the shelf. Firstly, feed the rubber band through the hole on the side of the shelf. Now, feed the loop in through itself and pull tightly. Next, take one of your pins and insert the remaining loop of the rubber band through the hole of the pin. Now stretch that rubber band out as hard as you can, and finally, feed the long end of the pin through the rubber band hole and pull tightly. In the end, you'll have a pin that is attached to the shelf with no complicated screws or locks. And you can now fasten these pins from the shelf to the frame with no problem, ensuring they stay locked in tightly and securely. And that's it for the full assembly of your A-Case, but to get the most value out of it, you're going to want to go ahead and magnetize your models with the associated A-Case magnets. Simply add some super glue to the underside of your base, push the magnet down firmly on that glue, and let it dry completely. And now your models will lock right onto the tray. Once all your models are magnetized, it's time to load up your army and hit the next event or game night confident that your hard work will be transported safely and securely.